Hello, today we're collecting cans and bottles from the side of the highway, and we've got a few tips if you want to litter responsibly. And here's some pointers. So, cans and bottles are the things that can be recycled through the return and earn thing. We get 10 cents a piece, which is more than we get for YouTube videos, so this is probably a good opportunity to say like and subscribe. What else? If you have a milky sort of bottle like Oak or Barista Brothers or something, they really stink, but as long as you got the lid on nice and tightly when you throw it out, then we can actually recycle it without having to take the bottle off. If you're going to use something for putting cigarette butts in, please don't put them in a can or a bottle then chuck it out the window, because it really stinks. Rather use a coffee cup because they can't be recycled and we don't usually pick them up. Anything else? Make sure if you're throwing things out of the car it doesn't go too high and go over the safety walls. Although the look of the bush down there does look like a really nice place to walk. But it's hard to get to. A lot of these places are quite inaccessible, and I think down there you'd probably have to go through people's backyards.
Yeah.
So, keep them on the footpath is ideal.
Or we could go to the end of the road and then bush bash for a couple of hours.
Yeah, it's 10 cents. Yeah, you can't even see if there's any cans down there, so yeah, I'll give that a miss. Okay. Yeah.
Slightly crumpled cans we can deal with. We can just buff them out with a stick. If they're like this, I don't suspect this was done on purpose, but we can't do anything with it.
Yeah.
I think it's been run over or something.
Yeah, maybe we could try it. The barcode is good. Yeah, the machines read the barcodes. So maybe we'll try putting it through the machine like that.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll give it a go. Yeah.
Okay. See if that works.
Yeah.
Get back to you if it doesn't.
Yeah, the barcode, keep the barcode intact. So we take poppers as well. Poppers are recyclable as well. I always forget and keep squashing the poppers like I used to do at school, but if you keep them as little boxes, then the barcode's more readable. So helps us out. Okay.
Well,
yeah.
Well, one of the things we found was a homemade bong, so...
Bongs are okay.
Yeah, but it just makes it a bit easier if you take the tube out first.
Yeah, take the piece of hose out. If you want to make it really easy for us. But that's not too bad. We have had bottles full of urine before, which is really, really foul. Don't do that. Okay, and also if you see a footpath, throwing bottles and cans onto a footpath is really good because that's where we can walk. And there's some spots where it's too dangerous to walk, so don't throw your cans and bottles there. Yeah. So is that how to litter responsibly? In New South Wales anyway, we have return and earn things. I think South Australia also. And
Yeah, I think that's about it.
Yeah, okay. All the best. Thanks for chucking bottles and cans out car windows on the Great Western Highway near Woodford. Bye.
Oops. Okay, here we go. I don't think it likes it. Maybe try the other way around. Right, okay. Maybe upside down. Okay, maybe the other way. Maybe if it curls around a little bit. Doesn't really want to curl.